everybody. It's Lisa Klubnik in England with LKE Social Media. I am going to walk you through a short tutorial on how to set up a Zoom account so you can be socially interactive with people right now without being physically active with them. And so I'm going to jump right in here. I'm going to share my screen with you. This is my screen. Actually, let me transition. There's my screen. And I am going to jump over to here. What you're going to do is you're going to go to zoom.com, which will take you to zoom.us. So this is where you want to be, zoom.us, okay? You're going to go over here, sign up. It's free. There's a free account. There's a free option. So you're going to put your email address in. Make sure you have access to it. You're going to hit sign up, and it says they'll send you a confirmation link. So I've already got my email address open right here, and I am going to click on activate my account. Okay, so now it leads you right here. You're going to put your first name, your last name, a password. Now keep in mind these are the password structure you have to use. So you have to have at least 8 characters, 1 letter, lowercase, numbers, and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to do that right now. And hopefully I will remember what I used. Okay, I already have a Zoom account, so I'm creating another one just so you guys can see how it's done. Okay, I'm saving that. You don't need to invite anybody if you do not want to. You can say, I am not a robot, but let's skip this step, okay? So here's your personal URL. A lot of times, and you can do I'm on a Mac, just so you know. You can do a Command Shift 4, and that's the way you do a screenshot. Again, that's another thing. So you can go to your personal URL. Now this is going to be your Zoom, okay? And then it's going to say open zoom.us. So you're going to click on that, all right? Are you sure you want to open this application? Yes, you do. It's very safe. Millions of people use it. So it's verifying right now over here, and it's going to download this and walk you through the rest of this process. All right, so I got the spinny wheel on right now, which is always fun. So we're waiting for that to happen. This is the 3rd time I've tried doing this. Something happens every time. First time my audio cut out. Now I've got a nice little spinny wheel up here. All right, now it's gonna let me get out of here. All right, so now you see the bouncy over here, the Zoom. You're gonna click on that. Join a meeting, okay? And then it's gonna ask you, join with computer audio. You can test speaker and microphone if you want. So you're going to join with computer audio. You can invite others right here. You can share this. The thing is, once somebody sends you a link to join a Zoom call, so I'm going to show you if I can find one of my Zoom calls over here, my Zoom link. Let me see if I can find that. Well, anyway, you'll be sent a Zoom link, and it'll take you here, and it'll say join this Zoom call, and you go ahead and join it. And it's really as easy as that. And I'm going to come back over to here.